Hi everyone. This video will be about my fourth bug or my fourth bounty and what did I do with my bounty earnings. So without further ado, I'll proceed with discussing my fourth bug first. So my fourth bug this time is really an either. But what I find interesting with this bug is it will work, but for the attacker to fully take advantage of this issue is he will be needing to create a lot of accounts. The reason for that is if I do it on the existing account, the either will work at first, but the moment I perform it and the value that I use does not exist, it will cause the account to produce an error and the either won't work anymore. So I had to create another account to perform the either again, and every time I input a data that does not exist, it will not allow the account to use that functionality anymore. So I needed to repeat the steps until I was able to get a valid data, and when I submit it to the SINAC team, the first time I submit it, I was not able to properly discuss or provide the steps properly, and they said to me that they cannot reproduce it. So I tried again, what's the problem, and that's how I conclude that's what's happening, that it won't work the moment it is find the data that's not available or does not exist. And yeah, finding this bug allows me to earn $572.50. So yes, that's my fourth bounty. Next thing I would like to discuss is I use my bounty earnings to buy the Security Malware Analyst Professional, and this is it. So the reason for why I buy this is I really wanted to have a career either as a security researcher or malware researcher. That's why I prepared this taking first. If I get lucky with bug bounty again, I'd also try to take either OSCE or OSWE of offensive security. But so far, as you can see on your screen, I'm currently studying the reverse engineering part of this course. And after this part, that's when I will go with malware analyst part. So far, what I can say with this course is it is good for me. I really love how Security do their courses. And without the EJPT, I think I won't be able to get a penetration testing job. And I really love how Security made their courses. And yeah, I've been enjoying this malware analyst. Although some of the topics in this course is I have complete no idea. I think not some, maybe almost the topic in this course is completely new to me. So I think it would take me longer before I could take up the exam. I think I'll just enjoy learning this. I'll provide also an update about my progress with this course as part of my malware analyst or malware research journey. So I guess that's for this video, and I think based on the things I discussed with this video will be part of my bug bounty and malware analyst journey. So thank you for watching again. Bye bye.